we are walking on the Alexandra Bridge. I usually try and make this stop if I'm going up the Fraser Canyon. It's this historical bridge, part of an old roadway system. You can see the roads on either side sort of curving down, crossing here and then going up the other side. They have a new bridge now. This one is discontinued for quite some time, but still a nice historical relic to walk across. Still in pretty good shape, although I don't know if I'd bring a car across. Anyways, if you're in the area, it's a great place to stop by. It's only about 10 minutes walk down from the highway, and there's a rest area up there. Anyways, we'll continue on this journey.